This is task 2 of Lab6, and the hardware is connected to show the output signal coming out of the DAC. So the input signal, again, is a 1 kilohertz sine wave with a 2-volt offset, and then you can see on the scope that the resulting output wave is also a 1 kilohertz sine wave with a 2-volt offset, which is expected as this was just implementing a pass-through function in FreeRTOS rather than standalone. So the output should be identical to the input. The hardware setup was modified to instead measure the chip select signals. So these are the active low signals for the DAC and ADC conversion. Right now the cursors are set up to show the entire cycle of the data pass through, which turns out to be about 8 microseconds. You can also measure the length of the ADC itself, as well as the length of the DAC. And then there's the 2 overhead times, the one before the DAC and then the one after the DAC. And again, if you turn this on, the signal looks pretty... Oops. Oops, I knocked the pin off with my elbow. There we go. The signal looks pretty consistent. So this is task 2, and that is the timing.